Hi, my name is Kelly Dyer, and I am the department chair and the ninth grade engineering teacher for the EPIC STEM program at Mill Creek High School. EPIC stands for Experiential, Project-Based, Innovative, Collaborative, and Cross-Curricular. It's learning that is focused on the student, very student-centered, engaging, teaching critical thinking, collaboration, communication. We have them presenting the results. Really, it's what I want for my own kids. It's that type of education. How are we going to make the problem solvers of the future? We are in year 7 and we've been growing each year, and it's really exciting to see where we have gone. We are putting in this grant request because we are growing and we need to keep ahead of where our students are, right? Each year the students come in and have learned something maybe a little different than the year before. And so we want to take a unit we've done and really kind of expand it into a whole project. We want them to look at the problem of Mars and, looking at Artemis and the mission that's going with that, and kind of like they read The Martian. We want to take that and how would they survive on Mars? And so we're going to have them do a bunch of labs, and we just don't have the materials for that. So that's what we're asking your support. We'd like to get CO2 balsa race cars. We'd like to get air-powered rockets and gliders so they can really explore these concepts, and we can tie it into the Martian and Hidden Figures and what's going on right now in the real world with the Artemis. So we would really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we can't wait to work with you.